students. So we finished square roots. So our chapter is square roots and cube roots. No, already we finished square roots. Now we are in cube roots, cube and cube roots. So what is cube root? A cube number is obtained when a number is multiplied itself for 3 times. So first we will go to square roots. What is square root? The product of two similar numbers or two similar variables. In the same way, a cube number, how you can form a cube? A cube number is obtained when a number is multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. For example, I am taking a number as a variable x. Cube of a number x is, so this x should be multiplied itself this end. So 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So it becomes x into x into x plus x cube. Suppose 1 into 1 into 1. So it can be written as 1 cube. So what is 1 cube? 1. In the same way 2. 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 cube. How much this is? 8. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. In the same way 3 into 3 into 3. So you have to write in exponential form 3 cube. So this is expanded form and this is exponential form. So 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. In this way it goes on 4 into 4 into 4, 5 into 5 into 5. That you do in your home. See, there is a table I will show in the textbook also. See here the textbook. This is the textbook, no? Yes, I hope you can see this. So observe and complete the following table. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube and so on. They given until 10 cube. So this will you have to finish up in your textbook. In the same way, next page in following are the cube root numbers from 11 to 20. So 11 cube, so that is 1331. 12 cube, already we done in square roots. 11 square, 121. 12 square, 144. In the same way, 11 cube, 1331. 12 cube, 1728. This all you have to learn by heart. So if I ask 11 square, you have to be ready to say 121. 11 cube is 1331. So you have, in this way you have to find out this all. And the next one is, see here, from the above table we can see that cube of an even number is always an even number. So here see, this is a 2. So 2 cube, so 2 cube means the answer is 8. Already I given in the textbook 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. So that gives you 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So that is even means the result also you got even number. No, you go to 1. 1 is odd number. So you multiply 3 times. So the result will be odd. Next go for 3. So 3 is odd number. You multiply 3 in 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. So you got 27. So the last 7 is odd number or prime number. 27 is odd number. So in the same way you will get this. So 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. See here. 4 into 4 into 4. First of all, this 4 is even number. The 2 is even number. If the number is even number, the result also you will get. The cube of a number is even. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So here the last digit is 4. So 64 is even number. If you take even number, the result also get even number. Right. Next one is, here some patterns are there. The patterns are very very important. And one more and most important point I put it here. These important points you note down in your book. If a number has 1 in the units place, then its cube ends with 1. See, 1 cube is equal to 1. Now only I said 11 cube. So that is 1331. So the last it ends with 1. Right? In the same way, you have to do all the problems. And next one is, so by seeing these numbers, you have to identify whether the given number is cubic number or not. So what are the numbers? The cube of a number having 0, 4, 5, 6 or 9 as in units digit. Just check this. So whether if the last digits are getting 0, 4, 5, 6, 9, they may be a cubic number or not. See here, some important patterns are there. The important patterns are very important. See, you may get chance in 3 marks, 8 marks and 4 marks. So this is a pattern. First one, some interesting pattern. I hope you can see. Add consecutive odd numbers. Observe the following pattern. See here, 1 is equal to 1 cube. 3 plus 5. So 3 is odd number, 5 prime number and odd number. 5 is also odd number and prime number. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So that 8 is 2 cube. Next one, 7, 9, 11. So all the three are odd numbers. 7, 9 and 11. All the three are odd numbers. So that odd numbers if you add, you got 27. So that is 3 cube. In the same way, 13, 15, 17, 19. You add that 12. So how much you will get the answer we will see, and what is a cube. Can you guess how many next consecutive odd numbers will be needed to obtain the sum of 5 cube? To get, so maybe this is 4 cube and next one is 5 cube. You have to try yourself. By taking these odd numbers, you got 4 cube. Maybe we'll see here 13 plus, see here 13 plus, 15 plus, 17 plus, 19. All these are here odd numbers only. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 9. So that is 4. 15 plus 9 is 24. 2 keep here. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 64. 64 is nothing but how much? 4 cube. In the same way, next what are the odd numbers to get 5 cube? 5 cube means 125. To get 125, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 they took. So in the first one, 1 they took. See here. In the first process, they took only 1 odd number. In the second, 2 odd number. Third one in 3. Fourth one in 4 cube for 4 odd numbers. Now they are asking question for you 5 cube. So how many odd numbers you have to take? 5 odd numbers you have to take and finish up the problem. In the same way, next pattern also there, I will show you in the book. So consider the following pattern. See, this is a pattern. Consider the following pattern. So 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 ones are 3. Right? 2 cube minus 1 cube. So in the 2 cube, how they written? See, 2 cube for how they written? Minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. To get 7, what they done? 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. In the same way, you have to finish up the remaining all patterns. I hope you all understood. 5 cube minus 4 cube. 3 cube minus 2 cube. 3 cube means 1 plus 3. 4 cube means 1 plus 4. 5 cube means 1 plus 5. So wherever 1, 2, 3 is there, next series in you will get 4. 3, 3. This 3 is a constant. See here, the 3 is constant to everywhere. How much pattern you will do, how many numbers you will do, in the same way the 3 will be the constant. Here 2 cube is there. They took 1 plus 2. 3 cube, 1 plus 3. 4 cube, 1 plus 4. In the same sense, they are asking for you to find 5 cube, 1 plus 5 into next series 1, 2, 3, 3 after 4, and this 3 is the constant and you have to find out that problem. Next, using the above pattern, find the values of the following. 10 cube minus 9 cube. So 10 cube means 3 zeros you keep, that is easy, no? 1000 minus 9 cube. Only you know 9 square, 9 nines are 81. Next again is 81 into 9 you have to do and subtract that and you have to put the answer. In the same way you have to finish up this pattern. And the next pattern is observe the following pattern and complete it. 1 cube is 1 square. 1 cube plus 2 cube is 1 plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. So first you have to add these two. 1 cube is there, they given 1 square. Now 1 plus 2 is there. You write 1 plus 2 in one bracket and make it as square. Now 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 square is 9. Same thing you count here. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube plus 1 cube, that is nothing but 9. Whatever they done, that is correct only. In the same sense, you have to do here also. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. What they done? 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square is equal to. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 square is nothing but 36. In the same sense, you have to do remaining all problems and you have to finish up the patterns all. First, you go through this patterns. If some interesting patterns are not there for you, that is teacher, I am not having textbook, so don't worry, use your PDFs. Already you are having net mobile data, so use that and finish up this patterns. These patterns are very important. May chance to get in 8 marks and 4 marks also, right? So we'll see you in the next class. Thank you very much, and I want to start 6.4. So this 6.4 also same as usual like 6.2. How we done prime factorization and long division method for square root. In the same sense, this excess also will be. But whereas in square you took in one bracket two numbers, similar numbers. The product of two same numbers is called as square root. In the same way, the product of three numbers is called as cube roots. So in one bracket in you have to put three numbers of the same. Okay, right, ma? Thank you very much.